Hinihintay ako sa boss. Sinasabi ba yan ng employees ninyo? Dinidelay ba nila yung decisions dahil they're waiting for the other boss to confirm? Let me tell you about Chris and Faith. They've been in the import and distribution business for consumer goods for many years na, handling warehouse operations, multiple product lines, and a team of about 12. Si Chris handles logistics and deliveries while Faith manages sales and inventory. Sounds organized, di ba? Pero eto yung actually nangyayari. A big retailer placed an urgent order, 250,000 worth of products, and they needed it delivered within 48 hours. Si Faith, wala siya sa opisina nung araw na yon. So the warehouse supervisor asked Chris, "Sir, ilalabas na po ba natin ang order? Nakahanda na po ang truck." Sabi ni Chris, mas mabuting hintayin muna natin si ma'am ninyo. Siya ang may hawak ng inventaryo. So, naghintay yung supervisor. And Faith came back the next day. Sabi niya, "Ma'am, sabi po ni sir, hintayin muna daw po kayo bago ilabas ang order." And nagulat si Faith. Bakit hindi na lang niya inaprubahan? Alam naman niya ang sistema. And by the time they released the order, they missed the deadline. And the retailer was furious. He canceled future orders worth 600,000 pesos. Sayang, di ba? Chris and Faith blamed each other, pero ang totoo, the problem was their team learned to wait. Employees did not want to risk following one boss if the other would question it later. So, naging frozen sila. Ito yung lesson, anak. Kapag ang employees hindi nila alam kung sino ang merong final authority, dinidelay nila yung lahat ng bagay. So, opportunities disappear while they wait for both bosses to agree. Kaya, be business-minded, Pinoy.